when it looks like scrambled egg gone wrong, when it looks like clotted cream, when you think it's ready for the bin. Here in the Sugar and Crumbs kitchen, I'm going to show you how to bring it back to life. Today we're going to make white chocolate and raspberry whipping it up. It's dairy free, gluten free, it's nut free, it's vegetarian, but unfortunately it's not suitable for vegans because it contains pasteurised egg white. The great thing with these bags are they're resealable and they are recyclable. I made some of this yesterday because I was decorating some cakes and I had some left over. Now to store it in the fridge, all I do is get a piece of cling film, make sure it covers the whole of the whipping it up, and then pop it straight into the fridge. When you bring it out, you take the cling film off and look, it's hard. We're going to pop this in the microwave on 30-second blasts. I'm going to do 2. Now, don't worry when you bring it out and it looks like it's got a load of liquid in it. I'm going to show you exactly what's going to happen with it now. This is one 30-second blast. It's still quite hard in the centre, so we're just going to do another 30-second blast now. This is as bad as it gets. I probably made mine a little bit more looser than yours will come out, just to show you that we can still work with it and we can still bring it back. I'm going to put this now into the mixing bowl. I'm going to start off on a low speed, just till it all mixes together. Then we'll just turn it up. I'm just going to a medium-high speed there, just mixing it round. So this bowl is pretty cold. So what I'm going to do is I'm either going to use a cook's torch, or you can use one of those wheat bags, or you could use a hairdryer just on the side of the bowl. Do not do this with a cook's torch on a glass bowl. Just do it on a stainless steel one. If you've got a glass bowl, then use one of those heated wheat bags or your hairdryer, but very lightly. I'm just trying to warm the bowl round. Yeah, that's warming. As you can see, I've turned the speed up now to medium, nearly maximum now, and it's starting to come away from the sides of the bowl, and it's coming back together beautifully. And this is what it's all about. It's about patience. You must have patience when you're bringing your whipping it up back to life. Don't panic when it's got that scrambled egg look, or it's got a clotted cream look, and there's lots of liquid at the bottom. Just put it into the bowl, start the mixer going, and if need be, you use a cook's torch just to warm your bowl up, and you will see that it starts to come back to life. And this is now, I'm going to turn the spit mixer off. Look at that. I'm just going to scrape that bit down there. I've got a clean spatula here. Scrape that bit down, and I'm going to take this off here. Don't need the blowtorch anymore. Look, we have brought it back to life. We have got beautiful Swiss Meringue Buttercream that has been stored in the fridge. It was hard. I've done 2 blasts in the microwave. I've put it into the mixing bowl and just slowly brought it back. Look at that. It's glossy, it's shiny, it's ready to use. No more panics. Just remember, the Sugar and Crumbs kitchen, we show you how to bring it back to life.